Hey, my name is Ben Cook, co-founder and CEO of NuMinds Enrichment. Now, I was a teacher of the gifted in Frisco for many, many years, but about 5 years ago, 2013, a buddy and I, fellow teacher, decided to launch this company, NuMinds, because we had a vision that we could provide a layer of enrichment and engagement opportunities for kids outside of the school day. And we are so excited to let you know that we have 2 opportunities at Leadership Prep this semester. On Thursdays after school, we have STEAM Explorers, which is an after-school program for K through 4. You're going to be doing all kinds of engaged science, technology, engineering, arts, and math. But the focus for this little video is to let you know about a brand new program we're rolling out for Leadership Prep. It's part of our Mindscapers program. And in this particular course, it's also on Thursdays. It's for grades 5 through 11. And one of our inspirators, that's what we call our teachers, one of our inspirators is with me today, Sage. He's going to be running and delivering our Mindscapers course at Leadership Prep on Thursdays, and he's here to tell you a little bit about what the focus is going to be this semester.
Right, so as Ben said, my name is Sage. Our focus this semester is going to be how to talk to people. And that's something that I'm personally passionate about because that's not something I inherently knew. I had to learn those skills. And I think one of the most important things in learning those skills is to provide a safe space to explore talking to other people, especially in group settings. So our focus is going to be project-based learning, so we'll do individual personalized projects. We'll do research on what the arguments are for or against different topics. We'll choose ones that we're passionate about ourselves individually, and we'll present to each other in a space that I believe we can make safe for those who are experimenting with their speech
So,
skills.
Mr. Sage, it's going to be kind of like a TED Talk format. So the topic that you're talking about, they'll actually develop over the course of the semester. They'll research the sides of the argument, really thoroughly get into the rhetoric of the whole process, and then at the end, they'll deliver like a TED Talk type program?
Exactly, yeah.
Okay.
So I think most of us are familiar with TED Talks, and if you're not, I recommend go watching one right now. They're typically pretty short, 10 to 15 minutes long. And that's exactly what we're doing. We're trying to kind of recreate the TED Talk style. And at the end of the semester, after doing some shorter talks, we'll record an official TED Talk for each student.
A professional TED Talk video for each kid that could be shared across the world with grandparents and friends and relatives. Excellent. And by the way, a little side note, in the spring, we have a NuMinds Student Gala where we feature really passionate, quality, interesting products or projects that students have done throughout the year. So obviously TED Talks produced in your course, Mr. Sage, will be candidates to be featured in our gala in the spring.
Yeah, and I'm very excited about that. And like I said before, it is entirely personalized, so it's up to the student to choose what they're passionate about to talk about. And I think that's going to make it a really interesting course.
Oh, awesome. I am excited. I can't wait to see what the students at Leadership Prep, guided by Mr. Sage, what they produce. Gonna be some cool stuff. So right here you have the URL to go check out the registration information. We will see you on Thursday.
See you then.